Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm showing you Tuscan soup. It's fall, very popular soup. Zuppa Toscana is how they say it in Italy. What makes it Tuscan? It's got the sausage, where a lot in that region is where they make the cured meats, and potatoes. Who knows why else they call it. Anyways, let's begin. This is what's going in the soup. This is going to be a 5 to 10 minute soup, depending on what you have prepared ahead of time. 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of a potato, baked potato, already softened, of 5 minutes in the microwave. 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of zucchini, half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, okay? And the sausage. But first we're going to make the sausage. You can buy sausage, but I make it. And this is going to be ground turkey sausage. Remember, this is leaner, green, or lighter. Okay, ground turkey sausage. 85-15 fat count. This is how fast it goes. Here's, you make your own sausage. I'll make this and I'll roll it in rolls, in links, and then do it on the grill in an aluminum container and put bell peppers and onions. You have sausage and pepper links. Okay, ground turkey. Watch, salt over it. A little bit more than you think. Pepper over it. Okay? Fennel seed, more than you think. Tablespoon. Okay, mix it, mix it. This is sausage. If you see my sausage video, this is how we made sausage at our restaurant, only we used ground pork. Or you can use, we were using ground turkey in the beginning, then we went to pork. This is how you make your own sausage. Okay? I'll make this for Robert in the morning. Make little bits and pieces of it this is it, in the broiler, okay? Sausage. Turkey sausage, that's it. Salt, pepper, fennel seed. Recipe for 75 years at our restaurant. Okay, now, then I go like this, put little bits and pieces, because again, we're trying to make this a 5 minute, 10 minute gourmet soup, okay? And this is gonna go now in the toaster oven in the garage for 10 minutes on broil. 10 minutes, okay? It's gonna come out like this, and here's your cooked sausage. Now you could cook it in the soup, but there again, you're gonna add about 10 minutes, okay? Cooked sausage. So let's look before we start the soup what we have again. Always wash your hands. Sausage, spinach, potato, carrot, zucchini, onion, flour. Let's come over here. This is what the sausage looks like after 10 minutes. Come over here. Now we're going to do the soup. I'm going to show you how fast it goes. Okay. I'm going to start the soup. A little bit of oil, a little bit. It's gonna get hot. See a little oil? It's probably 1 swirl. Remember, leaner, green, or lighter. No cream in here, no butter. Okay, the flour and the milk replace the cream, like I've showed you before. Okay, let's get started. Half a cup of onion. Okay. This is cooking. I'm going to show you over here garlic bread, garlic toast, garlic bread, small little roll, cut it in 4s. At the restaurant, when we had garlic bread in Coronado, it was you dipped it in oil and then you put garlic and you put Romano. I'm not doing any oil. This is garlic, granulated garlic, not garlic salt. Kind of a lot. This is shredded Parmesan. Tastes a little better if you do Romano. It's saltier. Okay, this is what we're going to do. This is going to toast. In the toaster oven, it's going to come out like this. Okay? This is ready. Now we're going to put in the carrots. Okay? Now look at this. Carrots. And we're going to put in the potatoes at the same time. Okay? Carrots, potatoes. I'm just going to saute a little bit. My herbs for this are bay leaf, rosemary, thyme. You can put sage in it too, okay? And my salt, I would say a teaspoon of salt. Can you see what this looks like here? You can make this go faster by cooking the carrots in here, 1 or 2 minutes. Everything to make it go fast. 5-minute gourmet does not happen unless you have things prepared ahead of time. In my house, I have everything prepared ahead of time. I usually have sausage cooked, I have hamburger cooked, I have marinara always on hand. I have the potatoes already parboiled, like for breakfast potatoes. I always have my vegetables washed and parboiled and in baggies. Same thing as spaghetti. Why? So you have 5-minute gourmet saute today. Okay, look. See? Not too much oil in here. This gets a little bit browner. And now you're going to put in the, I'm going to say, 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of the sausage you just did. There again, if you're going to do the sausage raw in here, you're going to add 10 minutes to the soup. Okay? That's why I did it out there. You do it the day before. Okay, look at this. Okay? I'm going to go back to the garlic bread. Garlic bread. We made it in here. Toast just on the toaster till it turns golden brown. And this is going to be your little bread for our soup. You can also use crackers, but we're going to have the bread with the soup. Okay. Back here. Okay, now we're going to add the flour. Okay, look in here, the flour. 1 heaping tablespoon. You see it in here? This will go like 1 or 2 more minutes. Now here's heated broth. You can also do, I'd made green broth because I boiled broccoli and spinach in the water. This is green broth. I threw in some chicken scraps and I boiled it. I have 3 or 4 videos on broth. Broth goes in everything. Okay, this was made and then this is reheated. This is what it looks like. Okay. See in here? It's going to thicken. This is going to thicken. You can add, normally this I'll put corn in this soup too. You can put beans. I'm not a fan of putting beans in soup. You can put frozen peas at the end. Anything to make it lighter, green, or leaner, okay? This is going to come to a boil, and then we're going to add a little bit of milk. This is optional, but you can. A little bit of milk, just like this. Just a little bit. I say 1/4 cup. I have a whole series that I put on YouTube. Because remember, when we sold the restaurant, my aim was to show you everything I know. And like I said, I know a lot about cooking. But I have a series called Bella Soups. I did cream of broccoli, cream of mushroom, cream of zucchini, did Bella minestrone, all 5 minutes or a little bit more. And they're leaner, greener, lighter. There's no cream in them, there's no butter. But the replacement is always a little bit of flour and milk. That's what substitute for the cream. And it makes it lighter. Now see this? Look at this is boiling. Beautiful. This soup. Is done. That's how fast. The last minute you put in the zucchini and you put in the spinach. And this is the Zuppa Toscana or Tuscan soup. Hearty, beautiful. A meal in itself. We're going to bring this to a boil. You can let it simmer. This stores very well. I'll make soups because I'm a soup person, and then if we don't need it, I'll just freeze it. So I always have a whole array of soups always in the freezer. Right now I have minestrone in there. I have cream of potato in there. That's another one of my my Bella soups, 5-minute. The cream of potato. I have tomato basil soup in there. All lighter, greener, leaner. Okay, this is the soup. See, it's coming to a boil, and this is ready. Now, how fast did that take? How beautiful is it? Oh, here we go. Look how rich. There again, I said I had the potatoes already made. The carrots I already did for like 1 minute. Otherwise, it's going to not be a 5-minute soup. It's going to be a 15, 20-minute soup. But you do it all ahead of time, okay? Okay, you guys, shut it off. How fast and how beautiful. Look, Zuppa Toscana with garlic bread. Thank you. God bless you. Hope you try it. Ciao.